Phonics Fables, where letters and tales dance, learning's a magical, whimsical chance.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a group of children who loved to play and explore. They would often gather together to play hide and seek, chase after each other, and have fun. One day, they stumbled upon a giant tree that was unlike any other they had ever seen. The tree was tall and strong, with branches that reached up to the sky. The children were amazed and decided to climb up to the top. As they climbed higher and higher, they noticed that the tree was full of interesting creatures. There were birds that flew high up in the branches, squirrels that hopped around, and caterpillars that crawled along the trunk. The children couldn't believe their eyes. As they continued to climb, they came across a group of lost butterflies. They were small and fluttering around, trying to find their way back to their home. The children were kind and decided to help the butterflies find their way back home. They chased after the butterflies, guiding them through the tree and helping them find their way back to their cocoon. The butterflies were overjoyed and thanked the children for their help. As they descended from the tree, the children realized that they had learned an important lesson. They had learned that by working together and helping others, they could achieve great things. They also learned that being kind and helpful could make a big difference in the lives of others. From that day on, the children made a promise to always be kind and helpful to others. They knew that by working together and being brave, they could overcome any obstacle that came their way. And so, they continued to play and explore, always remembering the lesson they had learned from the giant tree. Goodbye for now, and remember to subscribe for more Phonics Fables fun. Bye, friends.